fasting? It's a practice that transcends mere abstinence from food and drink. It's a big part of Islam, deeply rooted in the faith and culture of millions around the world. More than just not eating, fasting is about something deeper. It's a spiritual journey, a quest for inner peace and clarity, a hunger for something more. A connection with God, a way to cleanse the soul and purify the heart. We fast in Ramadan, the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. It's a time when communities come together, sharing meals and prayers. A month of reflection, gratitude and discipline. It's a period to appreciate the blessings we often take for granted. It's a time to step back from the world and look inward. Fasting is about self-control, a way to master our impulses and desires. It teaches us that we are not slaves to our desires. We can resist temptation. This builds willpower, a strength that extends beyond the act of fasting, a willpower we can use in all parts of our lives. It's a testament to the human spirit's capacity for growth and resilience. Before the sun rises, we wake up. The world is still and quiet, a moment of peace before the day begins. The first light of dawn brings a sense of renewal and purpose. We eat a meal called suhoor, a pre-dawn meal that fuels our bodies and spirits. It's a time for family, for togetherness, and for reflection. This will sustain us throughout the day. Then we pray. Our prayers are a source of strength, a way to connect with something greater than ourselves. Asking for strength for the day ahead. The day goes on, work, school, life, but something is different. We are more mindful, more aware of our actions and thoughts. We feel the pangs of hunger. It's a reminder of our own resilience and the struggles that others face daily. We remember those less fortunate, those who do not have the luxury of choosing when to eat, those who go hungry every day. Their plight becomes our reflection, urging us to be more compassionate and giving. As the sun begins to set, anticipation builds. The sky transforms into a canvas of colors, signaling the end of our fast. The fast is almost over. We gather with loved ones, the excitement palpable in the air. Families gather, preparing the evening meal. The aroma of food fills the air, a promise of relief and joy. The air buzzes with excitement. Conversations flow, laughter echoes, and hearts are light. Then the call to prayer, a moment of pause, of gratitude and of unity. We break our fast with dates and water, a simple act, but so meaningful. It signifies the end of our restraint and the beginning of our gratitude. A simple act, but so meaningful. The sweetness of the date, the coolness of the water, they bring immense relief and joy. We give thanks for what we have, for the food, for the company, for the strength to endure. It's a day of restraint, but also a day of profound gratitude and reflection. Fasting is not always easy. It challenges us in ways we might not expect. There are moments of struggle, moments when we feel like giving up, times when your stomach growls and your resolve weakens. You feel the pangs of hunger and the weight of your commitment. But these moments are important. They remind us of our purpose and our inner strength. In these moments of weakness, we find strength, we discover resilience we didn't know we had. We push through the discomfort, knowing that it is temporary and that the rewards are great. We remember why we are fasting. It's a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. It is in these moments that we connect with God most deeply. Fasting teaches us patience, it teaches us gratitude. It brings us closer to our faith. We learn to appreciate the things we often take for granted. The simple joys of life become more meaningful. Food, water, family. These are the blessings that fasting helps us to cherish even more. Ramadan ends, but the lessons remain with us. We carry the spirit of fasting with us, the empathy, the discipline, the gratitude, the sense of community. We are more aware of our blessings and our purpose, more mindful of those in need around us. We have grown spiritually and morally in profound ways. Fasting has brought us closer to God, closer to ourselves, closer to each other.